Hello students. Next example, psi equal to 1 goes to 3, 2 goes to 5, 3 goes to 8, 4 goes to 3, 5 goes to 1, 6 goes to 6, 7 goes to 2, 8 goes to 4. Check whether this permutation is even or odd. First, write psi equal to product of disjoint cycles. 1 goes to 7, 7 goes to 2, 2 goes to 5, 5 goes to 1, 5 goes to 1, we stop here. Next, 3 goes to 8, 8 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3, so we stop here. 6 goes to 6. So we omit 6 goes to 6, so psi equal to 1 goes to 1 goes to 7, 7 goes to 2, 2 goes to 5, 3 goes to 8, 8 goes to 4, which is equal to, write this cycle as a product of transpositions. 1 goes to 5 into 1 goes to 2 into 1 goes to 7. Now this cycle write as a product of transposition. 3 goes to 4 into 3 goes to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number of transpositions and 5 is odd number. So, psi is a odd transposition. Number of transposition is 5, which is odd number, hence psi is odd permutation. Next theorem. If a permutation is a cycle of length r, then its order is r. Further, if a permutation is product of disjoint cycles of lengths r1, r2 and so on rk, then its order is LCM of r1, r2 and so on rk. For example, express the permutation sigma equal to 1 goes to 5, 2 goes to 7, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3, 5 goes to 2, 6 goes to 8, 7 goes to 1, 8 goes to 6 as product of disjoint cycles. Determine whether sigma is even or odd. Also find order of sigma. Sigma equal to permutation is this. 1 goes to 5, 2 goes to 7, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3, 5 goes to 2, 6 goes to 8, 7 goes to 1, 8 goes to 6. So, sigma equal to 1 goes to 5, 5 goes to 2, 2 goes to 7, 7 goes to 1, so we stop here. Next, 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 3, so stop here. 6 goes to 8, 8 goes to 6, so stop here. Now write this cycle as a product of transposition. 1 goes to 7 into 1 goes to 2 into 1 goes to 5 into 3 goes to 4, 6 goes to 8 as it is. So here this is nothing but the product of disjoint cycles, and here we determine whether sigma is even or odd. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 number of transpositions. Number of transposition equal to 5 and 5 is odd number. So sigma is odd permutation. Also find order of sigma. Here to find order of sigma. Sigma equal to product of disjoint cycles. 1 goes to 5, 5 goes to 2, 2 goes to 7, into 3 goes to 4, into 6 goes to 8. Means order of sigma equal to LCM of length of first cycle is nothing but T4, length of second cycle 2, length of third cycle 2. LCM of 4 to 2. Therefore, order of sigma equal to LCM of 4 to 2, which is equal to 4. Next example, find sigma inverse for the permutation sigma equal to this. Also find order of sigma inverse. Given sigma equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 4, 6 goes to 6. Sigma inverse, to find sigma inverse, sigma of 1 equal to 2, sigma of 2 equal to 3 by this permutation, sigma of 3 equal to 1, sigma of 4 equal to 5, sigma of 5 equal to 4, sigma of 6 equal to 6, which implies 1 equal to sigma inverse of 2, 2 equal to sigma inverse of 3, 3 equal to sigma inverse of 1, 4 equal to sigma inverse of 5, 5 equal to sigma inverse of 4, 6 equal to sigma inverse of 6. So, sigma inverse equal to, first write 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sigma inverse of 1 equal to 3, sigma inverse of 2 equal to 1, sigma inverse of 3 equal to 2, sigma inverse of 4 equal to 5, sigma inverse of 5 equal to 4, sigma inverse of 6 equal to 6. Now write sigma inverse as a product of disjoint cycles. 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, so stop here. 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 4, stop here, and 6 goes to 6. We omit 6 goes to 6, 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 2, 4 goes to 5. Order of sigma inverse equal to LCM of length of first cycle, which is nothing but T3, length of second cycle, which is nothing but T2. LCM of 3, 2 equal to 6. So, order of sigma inverse equal to 6. Next, cosets. Definition: let G be a group and H be a subgroup of G. This set H into A equal to the set of HA such that H belongs to H is called as right coset of H in G. Also, this set A into H equal to set of A into H such that H belongs to H is called as left coset of H in G. We stop here.